The Supreme Court will be hearing a plea seeking cancellation of the rest of the CBSE exams and the quashing of the notification for conducting the remaining Class 10 and Class 12 exams from July 1st to 15th. The CBSE is likely to inform the Supreme Court about its decision on conducting the exams, which were postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The board last week told the court it will very shortly take a decision after a plea by a group of parents sought quashing of the notification and demanded that the students be awarded marks based on an internal assessment or in line with the marks allotted for their practical exams. So a bunch of parents who approached the Supreme Court saying that these exams cannot be held in the current circumstances. Remember, CBSE exams for Class 10 and Class 12, the remaining ones which are pending, have been slotted from July 1st. The CBSE is expected to also give details of what their stand is on this. Hi everyone.
So guys, this is a news article of India TV. In this news article, CBSE board exam decision on scrapping CBSE exam in Supreme Court on Thursday. Will CBSE scrap the remaining board exam of class 12? The board will inform the Supreme Court about its decision on Thursday, June 25. It will share with the court whether it is decided to scrap the remaining exam of class 12 scheduled from 1 to 15 July. Will CBSE scrap the remaining board exam of class 12? The board will inform the Supreme Court about its decision Thursday, June 25. It will share with the court whether it is decided to scrap the remaining exam of class 12. Scheduled from 1 to 15 July. Meanwhile, a decision on the rescheduling the joint entrance exam JEE and IIT and NEET test for medical college will be based on apex court verdict for CBSE board exam, while engineering exam entrance exam JEE Mains is scheduled from 18 to 23 July and NEET is held on July 26. The CBSE board exam, what is the play? The top court is hearing a plea filed by some parents of students appearing for the exam, seeking a direction to the CBSE to declare the result on the basis of exam already conducted and the calculated it on an average basis with the internal assessment marks of remaining subject. It was last week when the group of parents moved the Supreme Court praying that the CBSE cancel the remaining papers scheduled to held from July 1 to 15 July. In the view of COVID situation, the parents expressed concern over the safety of the student and requested to apex court to case the CBSE May 18 notification which our date sheet was declared. The place said students might be exposed to COVID-19 infection if they have to appear in the examination amid the increasing number of coronavirus infection. The said petition would also demonstrate the extent of discriminatory and arbitrary conduct of the respondent. CBSE is issuing the notification for holding the remaining papers examination and that too in the month of July 2020, whereas as per the AIMS data, the said COVID-19 pandemic would be at its peak. The play said it is alleged that considering the gravity of COVID-19 pandemic, the CBSE has cancelled the examination of class 10 and 12 for its around 1,500 schools which are situated abroad and has adopted the criteria of awarding marks on the basis of either practical exam conduct or the internal assessment marks. The place said that April this year the CBSE has directed to school to promote student class IX2 and XI to the respecting next grade on the basis of school-based assessment. It also said that on May 25 the Ministry of Research and Development had announced conducting of exam in class 10 and 12 in almost 15,000 centers and against 3,000 used earlier. Ensuring proper cleanliness and safety standard is prescribed by concerned government in the COVID-19 situation in those 15,000 exam centers spreading over the length and breadth of the country, including rural sectors, would not only the risking health and life of children but also would be an exercise in futility and an IOS, the place said. It said even if it is be assumed that 15% of coronavirus cases are asymptomatic, then the student who will appear in the exam could be potential carrier, posing a great risk themselves and also their family members. The place said several premier educational institutions like Indian IIT and also cancelled their exam, including their those of final year students, because the pandemic situation. It has also raised concern over the issue where the examination center might fall within the COVID-19 contaminant zone. CBSE board exam center CBSE in Supreme Court. Earlier, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has informed the COPE court bench headed by Justice M. Khanwilkar that our government and the board are aware of the anxiety of students. The bench, also comprising Justice Dinesh Maheshwari and Sanjeev Khanna, was requested to adjourn the matter for the day. Mehta told the court that we would apprise the apex court the decision taken by the authorities. The matter was adjourned for June 25, which is when CBSE the center will inform the court for the decision on the CBSE board exam. We will inform Supreme Court about the decision on Thursday. A CBSE official told India TV the hearing will begin at 2 o'clock. CBSE board exam. Delhi government wants cancelling of board exam. Earlier this month, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Sisodiya also warned Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, offering him the cancel pending board exam, citing the spike of COVID-19 cases are high number of contaminant zone in the city. I hope would you agree with me that the board exam, particularly those of class 12th, are high stake exam for children, hence beginning the take of the exam in such the uncertain and anxiety prone situation would not be fair them. It would be extremely difficult to conduct the exams, so they had said on this letter. So guys, today hearing of Supreme Court, this case 2 o'clock, and decision will also come 2 o'clock. So wait for decision and keep study. And if you like this video, and so like video and subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest update. Thank you. Jai Hind.